few spikes. Of course, they're not big spikes on the band, and like I say, you got a whole wide open band, and I've been here for quite a while, and God, it seems like everybody wanted to move right in here. They're just a few kcs up or a few kcs down from me. Yeah. Okay. Well, good luck, and like I say, have a very.
This is the President Uniden HR2600 10-meter transceiver. It's an all-mode radio, CW, lower sideband, upper side, AM and FM.
Lima.
Gives out 25 watts peak.
CQ contest from November Kilo 7 Lima.
We have contest right now, so the band is pretty much occupied.
7 London.
Radio is capable of repeater shift. Minor is 100 kilohertz. It also turns on the CTCSS PL tones automatically. That can be adjusted inside. So there is a PL tone generator. You can switch in 500 kilohertz band segments. That's kind of nice if you want to change frequency rapidly. You can lock the frequency. There is up-down buttons to change the frequencies. You can change the frequency in 100 Hz steps, 10 kilohertz steps, or 1 kilohertz steps. That can be done with these buttons on the front. It can be done through the dial, and it can be done through the microphone. There is up-down buttons on the microphone. Radio obviously has a clarifier, can be switched off. There is a built-in noise blanket that works quite well. There is an RF gain. There is volume control, of course. There is squelch. Works in all modes. It's a nice squelch. It does not plop. It's kind of nice if you have headphones, otherwise they blow right off your head when the squelch comes in or out. There is a built-in SVR meter. You can do different modes for the meter here, SVR, RF, or microphone modulation. There is a TX button, which basically is parallel to the push-to-talk on the microphone. LCD is pretty clear, can be changed in brightness. There is a possibility to scan up to 100 channels according to the manual. I don't know how that works, but I'm sure it's explained in there. Dial is kind of nice. Very nice radio. It's compact. Gives off about 20-25 watts. It's specified for 25 watts PEP. I have a setup here where I go through a bird. That can only measure average. For that purpose I also have a oscilloscope, which basically measures the voltage at the output of this 30 dB attenuator, which is then going into this 50 ohm terminator, which voltage is measured by the oscilloscope. When we do that, switch to the dummy load, not to hinder anybody. When we do that, 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 testing, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 testing, 1 2 3 1 2 3. You can see it peaks to about 3.2 volts on this scope here, which equals, if you do the math, 3.2 volt peak, 50 ohms, 30 dB, calculates back to about 25 watts. If we do a whistle, radio makes it to 20 watt continuous, 25 watt peak. We can listen to our own modulation if we wanted that. We go to 400. We got a monitor receiver here. 1 2 3 4 5. Radio is good on frequency. 1 2 3 4 5 testing. We can also test the AM mode that way. Amplitude modulation. 1 2 3. That looks like a nice AM wave. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3. Hello, testing. 1 2 3. It's still on single sideband here, but if I go to AM, let's see if that works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 testing. 1, 2, 3. That's the AM mode. We can see if there is anything going on in the repeater band. 29.4. We'll go to 10 kilohertz steps in the FM mode.
Is a scratchy repeater, to be honest. So after this is your big coverage area.
Looks like some propagation to the UK.
Accessible to the side of the pond. But never mind. Anyway, John, I'll let you carry on. Have a good rest of the day. I believe you're 5 hours behind us. I say our clocks went forward into British summertime last night. Local time is 5:45 in the evening. And it says, nice to make it.
No, I don't hear anything else. Like I said, the radio has repeater shift.
7 and 3 for now.
You can see that up there.
Happy. And WA2HS up with for any other call.
Works quite well. The President Uniden HR2600 10 meter rig. This one is in very good condition. It doesn't look like the previous owner has modified it in any way. It's completely original and it works quite well. Thank you for watching this video.